Hi guys, I'm so excited to bring you this wig. It's Outre's Mystique. It's part of the Color Bomb collection, so stay tuned. And I'm back. And again, I'm going to be opening this girl. I have not opened the package yet. And I'm just really excited to see Mystique. She is a synthetic wig by Outre. So this is Outre's Color Bomb. You can see that. Oh, pretty good. And I have her in DR Plum Wine. She's a pre-braided wig, and she comes in all these colors. Look at that. But, oh, my ring light's in the way. But you can also wear her down. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. Okay. So you can also wear her down, which is based on the reviews I've seen, how I'm probably going to end up wearing her. She comes with this pre-braided pattern. And while that is beautiful, we're going to see if that works or not with the hairline. She's that high-tex fiber, and you can heat style her up to 400 degrees. That's good. It says she comes pre-plucked with soft Swiss lace, and she's got a 5-inch deep eye parting. So she's supposed to be worn straight down the middle with natural baby hairs and the exclusive Salon quality colors with sparkle highlights. So if you're extra like me, you might really like this wig. If you're not extra, she may not be for you. She comes with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and these adjustable straps, which I have on the widest setting because I do have a big head and I've heard that she's a little bit small. She does come with this pre-plucked part. Hope you can see that. But you can see some of these hairs are sticking out right here. So already her braid, just being in the package, a little compromised. I'm going to put it on and show it to you, though, before I do anything like cut them off. So here we go. Okay, all the way down. Oh, yeah, she goes all the way down. Ooh. Okay. You guys, that's not bad. I'm gonna cut the lace off camera, and then I'm gonna put this back on and see what she's given us. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. All I did was cut the lace. Okay, you can see her right there. Let's get her on my head. Let's see what happens. I have a 22.5-inch head, and she fits me pretty much fine. I mean, she actually covers all of my sides. I mean, you can see her lifting. Like, she would have to be glued down, but she's not that bad. I don't know that I'm going to end up wearing her this way because it does kind of look like a helmet. And the baby hair is really dark. She kind of looks like a hat. I'm going to take her down and I'm going to flat iron her, and then I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I finished her, basically. I may straighten her again just to make sure I get all the waves out. She's been braided a while, so she does fit. She does still have a few little wavy things in there. Anyway, it doesn't matter because, yeah, I think I'm going to wear this girl without the braid. So I did take her out. Oh yeah, see, I'm gonna have to like take a comb probably through the top there just to flatten that out a little bit. But this is how she looks after I take her out. Now, there is a metal ear tab in here, so if I just bend it into my scalp a little bit, it holds all that down. So if I just do the other side too, what I might do is put a little bowl hold in there and then brush these baby hairs in. Again, take this little bit of hump out. It's just where it's been braided for so long. I'm probably going to just take my hot comb and just run through that. But I wanted to just put her on. You know, she's not even really straightened all the way yet. So I think just to get you an idea of what she looks like. And of course, I'm wearing like the most basic bee makeup you can wear. Gosh, that lace comes right to my edges, you guys. Like this wig fits. This wig fits great. It's a little thin. It is a little thin at the top. So I think I'm going to have to get it on and run some heat down it just so that, you know, I'm not showing some tracks through there. But it like fits all the way down on my head. I mean, I don't get that very often with wigs. So pulled all to the front, which I don't do much of. And this is not the right color pink, I now realize, to wear with this wig. But I'm going to just show you how far she falls. Okay, so this is how far she goes. I am 5'4". 5'4". Okay, so, well, like just shy of 5'4". Okay, so anyway, final thoughts. You know, I'm excited to wear this wig. I really, really am. I'll do my makeup nice and pretty. Look like I got my hair did, even though, you know, I don't have any hair. Y'all know, bald girl. I think the color is nice. It's going to look better with the right makeup and lip. That's going to be key. And outfit. And maybe I'll start doing a wigs in the wild thing every once in a while with these wigs, wearing them out, taking pictures, like at the grocery store under really ugly fluorescent lighting so you can really see what they look like. I don't know. If you would like me to do some wigs in the wild, why don't you place a comment down below and I'll think about it. Okay. All right. Anyway, so this is the parting space. It looks real good. I'm not even going to bother putting anything in there today because I'm not wearing her yet and I want to keep her as close to new as I possibly can. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this wig I hope you enjoyed this wig review. If there's anything else, leave a comment below. Again, if you want to see some wigs in the wild, leave a comment below. And I will see you later. Bye!